What was that?
I'm just cracking my knuckles.
Can you not, man? I'm trying to fucking read.
I'm gonna just do the other hand. Then I'll be done.
No. That's disgusting.
You really got an issue with these little sounds? It's just.
I don't. I'm like a normal. I'm just a standard man, and I don't like these disgusting noises when I'm trying to read.
I don't know.
Why are you still doing it? I've just asked you
I'm
to
just feeling
stop.
a bit tight. I got to be fucking battle ready, you know?
For what?
World War III's coming, man.
Mate, we're just chilling in the house. We're not doing anything.
Look, you don't know when a fucking terrorist comes through that door.
There's no terrorists. It's a lovely day. There's no...
Look, you've got to be on alert.
I've got misophonia, okay?
Oh, you know
So
that's
you need
made
to
up.
stop.
It's made up.
Like
Like
made
the
up
fucking moon landing. And peanut allergy.
Can you just... I'm trying to read. I'm genuinely trying to
You
read.
could fucking read.
Did you just crack your nose?
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck is wrong with you, man?
My face was a bit tight.
Page 137. Where was I? You're distracting me.
Oh, that's good. Oh, man. Feel looser already.
Oh, God.
Seriously, what's wrong with you, man?
Just stop. Just stop. You're out. You're going to be out of the house.
It's always threatening it. Never actioning it. All bark and no bite.
What was that?
My ears.
Ah, stop! Stop!
Look.
You're gonna be out of the house. This is your last warning.
You
okay?
need to start cracking your fucking muscles and your bones.
No, you'll get arthritis.
This is why you're
and
so
then you'll be
tightly
sitting
wound.
there popping and cracking when you're an old man.
Arthritis. It's a myth.
No, it's not. It's a real...
Well, next time you get fucking paralysed if I crack my neck.
Yeah. Never crack your neck. Literally one time, you're done. He's a parasite sucking your blood.
My neck is feeling quite tight, to be fair.
It doesn't...
Look. Mate, my neck's quite tight. Can you just give me a little tweak and then I'll be done? And honestly, it's just the last thing I need.
And you'll stop?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Do it.
Right.
Just give me... Right, get it. Give me a little twist like that, yeah? Yeah.
Sam? Sam? That's good. Cut.